Hi everyone, welcome to Speaking Tagalog. Today I'm going to teach you how to count speaking the Tagalog language. And let's start with number 1. 1 in Tagalog language is called isa. Isa. And number 2 in the Tagalog language is said as dalawa. Dalawa. And number 3 in Tagalog language is tatlo. 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 Number 4 in the Tagalog language is apat. 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 And number 5 in the Tagalog language is lima. 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 Number 6 in the Tagalog language is called anim. 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 Number 7 in the Tagalog language, we call it pito. 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 Number 8 in the Tagalog language is walo. 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 Number 9, we call it in Tagalog. Number 9 is siyam. 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 And number 10 in the Tagalog language is called sampu. 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 So there you have it. You'll find all this and more in Speak Tagalog by JUANITA Gutierrez, now available at Amazon and all bookstores. It's very good to learn a foreign language because that's the way to have friends and travel around the world. Mabuhay! Enjoy!